Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update DALL workflows with Zapier to generate ad images, complete guide step by step clearly. To update DALL workflows with Zapier for generating ad images, begin by logging into your Zapier account. Navigate to the dashboard and select Make a Zap. For your trigger, choose an app that will initiate the workflow, such as Google Sheets or any form you prefer. Select the appropriate event that triggers the zap, like New Spreadsheet Row for Google Sheets. Connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet to monitor. Test the trigger to ensure it pulls in sample data correctly. Next, add an action step by clicking on the plus icon. Search for and select DALL as your action app. Choose the action event that corresponds to image generation, such as Generate Image. Connect your DALL account by following the authentication. In the setup options, map the fields from your trigger data to the relevant inputs for DALL. Provide prompts to DALL for generating the ad images accurately. You can include styles, colors, or themes as necessary to align with your branding. Test this DALL action to confirm it generates an image based on the provided prompts. After a successful test, you can add more steps if needed, such as sending the generated image via email or uploading it to a specific platform. Next, make sure to name your zap in the top left corner for easy identification. Once you're satisfied with the setup, toggle the zap on to activate the workflow. Finally, monitor the performance of your zap to ensure everything runs smoothly and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.